Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money online every 4 hours with just a click of a button. Alright, I'm going to be sharing with you a platform that is going to allow you to make money with crypto arbitrage every 4 hours with just a click of a button. Alright, so by leveraging on this platform, you can make instant profit doing crypto arbitrage from the comfort of your home and with just your mobile device, and you're set to make money on a monthly basis. All right, so if this is something you like to do, if you like to make money with crypto arbitrage by just hitting the click button every 4 hours, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about this video, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with crypto arbitrage with just a click of a button every 4 hours. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log into my account and show you how everything works. But before that, if you don't have an idea of what crypto arbitrage is all about, it simply means buying a crypto at a cheaper price, then sell it on another platform at a way higher price. Okay, so you simply buy low then sell high. So this is just the logic around the whole process, but this time around you don't need to do any of the hard stuff. Okay, so all you simply need to do is just hit the start button and the platform is going to execute the trade for you, and at the end of each 4 hours your profit is going to drop, and you can do that every 4 hours to maximize your profit. All right, so what you want to do now is, if you don't have an account yet, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, click the link there, create an account yourself and start trading crypto arbitrage on this platform and start making instant profit. All right, so like I said, I'm going to log into my account now, then show you how it's been done. All right, so the name of this platform is called Now to Trade. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to create an account with Now to Trade. Okay, so once you click the link at the description of the video, you'll be able to see something like this. So click on the register button, create an account yourself. It doesn't require any KYC, so your account is going to be activated immediately. So once your account is activated, so what you want to do is you want to log into your account. So I'm going to walk you through how the trade is being set up and how you can make your profit. Okay, so I'm going to log into my account now. All right, so as you can see, my account, I've just logged into my account now, so I'm going to show you how it's been done. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this on my laptop device, not my mobile device. All right, so what you want to do now, in your own case, what you want to do is you want to deposit money in this platform before you can start trading with the platform. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to come over to wallet area here. Okay, so currently they have 3 crypto. Okay, so the first one is Bitcoin, so the second one is Dogecoin, and the third one is Litecoin. Okay, so if you are to transfer Bitcoin directly to your Bitcoin wallet, the gas fee or the transfer fee for this is going to be much. Okay, so to avoid paying a high transfer fee of Bitcoin, then I'll suggest you go with this first two, which is Doge or Litecoin. Okay, so if you are sending money, if you want to send money to your wallet, okay, this is how it works. You can only use Bitcoin to trade on this platform, okay, but you can use other 2 crypto to deposit into the platform. Okay, so you can deposit, take for example, you want to start trading with $100, so you could deposit $100 worth of Dogecoin here, then convert it by clicking on this yellow button, change BTC. So once you have the Dogecoin in your wallet, you can now change it to BTC, then use the BTC to start trading arbitrage on this platform. All right, so this is basically how it works. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to hit on deposit. Take for example, you want to use Doge, so click on deposit. So it's going to ask you to create wallet, so I'm going to hit create wallet. All right, so it's going to bring out your Doge wallet. So what you want to do is you want to copy this wallet address, then go over to any platform you want to send the money from. Take for example, if it's going to be Binance or if it's going to be Trust Wallet. So send the money to this wallet address, and once the money enters your wallet address here, so what you want to do is you want to change it to BTC, and once you've changed it to BTC, you can now start trading arbitrage on this platform. So I have money in my BTC wallet already, so I'm going to show you how it's been done. So what I want to do now is I'm going to go back, then click on dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to click on dashboard here. So what you want to do is you want to come down here, you want to click on this arrow, this 2 arrow here. So once you click on this arrow, it's going to bring out the trade section. All right, so this is it. So this is the sell price and this is the buy price. All right, so the currency difference is the profits you're going to be making. So take for example, if you are trading one Bitcoin, if you are trading arbitrage with one Bitcoin, this is the profit you're going to be making. Okay, so you want to make the currency difference as high as possible, because this is how profitable the trade is going to be for you. All right, so I'm going to be trading 100%, but in your own case, if you want to trade 50% of your current deposit, all you simply need to do is just click on 50% or 75% or 100%. So in my own case, I'm going to go with 100%, so I'm going to be trading everything. So I want the currency difference to be above 400 or even 500, so I can make huge profit. All right, so I'm going to wait for it. So once it's above 400, I'm going to click on this start button. Alright, so as you can see, I've been able to click the start button, and apparently my profit on this trade is $1.65. So my current capital is $428, and the profit I made on this trade is $1.65. So I think the reason why the price the profit is like this is because I'm not sure I entered the trade when the price and when the currency difference is above 300 or above 400. So for you to see everything, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on view all here. So it's going to bring out the profit details. So I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, I think I entered the trade when the currency difference is 234. So which is why the profit margin is quite low. So let's assume I was able to enter the market around 400 or 500 currency difference. So my profit on this should be close to $4 or even $5. All right. So this is basically how it works. So what you want to do is you want to click on confirm here. So you want to go back, so you can also check the time. So as you can see, so after clicking the trade or after entering the trade, executing the trade, so I think the current time we have here is 3 hours 44 minutes. Okay, so when it hits, so immediately after 4 hours, the profit is going to drop in my wallet address, so I can also start another trade if I want to. All right, so this is basically how it works. Okay, so every 4 hours you have the opportunity to execute a trade and make your instant profit. So on this, I was able to make $1.65. So let's assume I was trading with $1,000 and I was able to execute this trade every 4 hours. So you can actually imagine the profits I'm going to be making on a daily basis. So you multiply how much you're making on a daily basis, multiply by 30 just for you to have an idea of how much you're going to be making on a monthly basis. All right, so this is basically how you can make money through crypto arbitrage using the Now to Trade platform. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question about this video, please drop them in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so like I said, in my subsequent video, I'm going to create videos on how you can actually set up your Now to Trade account, how you can deposit money in the account, and how you can withdraw your money, your profit from this platform directly to your other crypto wallet, for example like Trust Wallet or like Binance. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.